सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यंकरवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नमस्कार।
नमस्कार
स्वागतम स्वागतम सर्वेभ्यः संस्कृत प्रणयेभ्यः। ये च अस्माकं नित्य विद्यार्थिनः सन्ति तेभ्यः। Welcome friends, welcome to the Panchatantra. Today we stopped in the previous class where the mouse Vayasa or the Laghupatanaka's opponent here, Hiranyaka. Hiranyaka is the mouse who is arguing with Laghupatanaka the crow that he cannot be friendly with the crow because there is a natural enmity existing between the two species. He is a mouse and the crow natural enemy of the rat, and the rat is very, very cautious and very prudent also in putting forth the argument. But on the other hand, we see here, we have seen already how the list of natural enemies is given by the Mushika, Hiranyaka. But listening to all these, the very clever and talkative crow is in a position to convince even that fearing mouse to become his friend. And there lies the dexterity, or not dexterity, the skill of the crow in making believe and convincing the Hiranyaka to become a friend, keeping in future calamity as far as the crow is concerned. So because the Tantra itself is Mitra Samprapti, Mitra Labha, otherwise Mitra Samprapti, how to win friends. So how to win friend being a crow? How can you make friendship with your own prey? That is the thing. So after listening to that, the crow is not convinced here, Srinivas. Crow is unconvinced, and therefore crow argues in its own way. Yeah, you can read that. We are after 34th poem, Srinivas. कारणान् मित्रतां याति कारणादेति शत्रुतां तस्मात् मित्रत्वमेव अत्र योज्यं वैरं न धीमता. Tasmat kuru. That is what. So this is the argument now by Laghupatanaka. Laghupatanaka immediately, Vayasa dismissed in one sentence. No, I don't agree with your list of natural enemies. I don't agree with them. So, and he gives in this one poem, Karanat mitratam yati, Karanat yeti shatrutam. One becomes a friend due to some reason, one becomes an enemy due to some reason, Karanadeva. Tasmat, therefore, mitratva meva atra yojyam. Atra avayor madhye kim yojyam mitratva meva yojyam vairam na dhimata. Dhimata panditena vairam na yojyam. Mitratva meva yujyam yuktam iti vayasa aha. Tasmat, yeah, read. Kuru.
Yes, sir. Adhyatani kaksha sankhya vartate ashtaashiti.
Ashtaashiti kaksha. Sadhu. Mayapi vismruta sankhya. Ashtaashiti sankhya. Today is 88th class of the Panchatantra. Yeah.
Tasmat kuru maya saha samagamam mitra dharmartham. Hiranyakaha bhoho tvaya saha mama kaha samagamaha shruyatam niti sarvasvam.
So the crow said, Tasmat, therefore, Vayasa crow, Laghupatanaka said, Kuru maya saha samagamam. Mitratam. Mitra dharmartam maya saha samagamam kuru. So you make friendship with me for the sake of, for the dharma. Be friendly with me for the accomplishment of mitra dharma, or the, very difficult to put it, for the virtue of friendship. Hiranyaka said, Bhoho, no, my friend, tvaya saha mamakaha samagamaha. No, how can there be friendship, samagama? How can we meet together? Tvaya saha, along with you, mama kaha kaha samagama? How can mitrata or samagama, coming together, friendship, be with you? Shruyatam niti sarvasvam. Now I am going to tell you the essence of Niti Shastra. That is what it is. Sakrit, the poem I have to read.
Yes, sir. सकृत् दुष्टं च यो मित्रं पुनः सन्धातुमिच्छति स मृत्युमुपगृह्णाति गर्भमश्वतरी यथा.
So Hiranyaka gives a reason here. Niti Sarvaswam is saying Sakrit Ekavaram, once. This is an avyaya as far as language is concerned. Dustascha, Dustaha, Dustam cha, sorry. Sakrit Dustam. Dustam means here separated. Dustam means separated, defiled, otherwise corrupt, defiled. Ekavaram Dustam cha yo mitram. Dustam mitram, ekavaram dustam mitram, yaha punaha sandhatum ichchati. One who wants to again make friends with a person who is once been defiled or estranged. Ekavaram sakrudnama ekavaram dustam durikrutam mitram punaha yaha sandhatum ichchati. Punaha sandhatum ichchati, punaha maitri kartum ichchati. The one who wants to rejoin friendship into friendship with a person who is once been defiled or estranged from him. Some mrutyum upagruhnati, such a person, mrutyum upagruhnati, he only goes to death. He only faces death. He will be embracing death. Like what? Yatha garbham ashwatari. Just like a female mule, Srinivas, when it becomes pregnant, a female mule dies at the time of the delivery, it is said. So the delivery itself is the death for this mule. This information we do not know much. When the mule comes of delivery, it is said that her conception only will make her die. So a man, once we are estranged from our friends and again we want to re-establish friendship, sandhatum ichchati, it is like inviting death itself, like a mule, female mule, which goes to death on its delivery time. So the idea is, but this seems a little irrelevant also, although the mouse says Niti Sarvaswam Srinivas here. Because crow and this mouse were no friends earlier, right?
Yeah, yeah.
From that point of view, it is irrelevant. So maybe the shrewd crow will point out that, because they are first time they are coming into contact, talking together, and there was not a time when both were friends and estranged. But he says, Athava, yeah.
अथवा गुणवानहं न मे कश्चिद् वैरनिर्यातनं करिष्यति एतदपि न सम्भाव्यम् उक्तं च.
And the Hiranyaka also says that Athava Gunavanaham, one should not think like this. Gunavanaham, I am a very meritorious fellow. I am a person with all merits, all gunas. Name kaschit, I have no vaira niryatanam. There is no one to show enmity to me. Niryatanam, there is also patantara here, vaira niryatanam, vaira yatanam. Na kaschit me mama vaira niryatanam karishyati. Nor will anyone bear enmity towards me. Etadapi na sambhavyam. This also should not be thought over. This should not be considered also sambhavyam. Because one should not assume or take it for granted that I am very good. Na me kaschid vaira niryatanam karishyati. Nobody will be extending enmity to me. Etadapi na sambhavyam na chintyam. Uktamcha, because it is said.
सिंहो व्याकरणस्य कर्तुरहरत् प्राणान् प्रियान् पाणिनेः मीमांसाकृतमुन्ममाथ सहसा हस्ति मुनिं जैमिनीम्.
Half poem we will do and then go to the next one. No, keep
Ah,
it there. So,
okay, sir.
okay. Just up, little up. Yeah. So the previous dialogue said by the mouse Hiranyaka is that one should not think that he is very good, and at the same time one should also not assume or presume that nobody is going to do harm to me. Kaschid vaira niryatanam karishyati iti abhina sambhavyam. Oh, this is also good, in Niti Shastra, in any Niti Shastra, this has been there. Even Bhartruhari also gives an alert, gives an ultimatum to the good people, Srinivas. If you are good and if you think that I am good, I have no enemy, that is your stupidity. That is your foolishness. A good man is more prone to attack than a wicked man in society. Like you take, for example, our own country, which has been there since millenniums, and recent time, how our neighboring enemies were trying, planning, plotting to attack.
Yeah.
We have come to know very recently that China, Pakistan, and with the help of some other country, they were planning to attack on 5th of July. And that was frustrated because of some input given by our friendly countries like Israel, etc. It is said. And America came to Russia. We all took, So this has been going on, Srinivas. Between person and person, between persons, between nations. Chanakya says that Anantara Prakritihi Shatruhu. Who is your enemy? Your immediate neighbor is your enemy.
Yeah.
How wonderfully he said, your immediate neighbor is your enemy. Our immediate neighbor Pakistan, our immediate neighbor China, they are our enemies. So India got to be on its defense all the time. And India cannot, I am just linking it to the nation here from a personal conversation, Srinivas, because it holds good here. A country should not think, like country like ours, should not think that we are very good people. We never offend anybody. If we think, then we'll be attacked. And nobody will do any harm to me. Kachid vaira niryatanam karishyati also should not be there. And therefore, the Hiranyaka is giving example here. This is a very famous sloka, often quoted. Simho vyakaranasya kartuhu aharat pranan. Vyakaranasya kartuhu. Kartu shabdasya prayoga atra. Vyakaranasya kartuhu rachayituhu. Pranan aharat. Kaha aharat? Simha aharat. It is said that a lion took the life of the writer of this Vyakarana Shastra, namely the Panini, Ashtadhyayi. Panini's life was taken away by a lion. Many people quote this. Anyways.
Yes,
Simha Vyakaranasya kartuhu Paninehe pranan aharat. Now, what did Panini do to the lion? Is there any enmity between Panini? Or because Panini did not talk about the language of the animals, the lion got hungry. You fool, you only talk about human language. We too have a language and therefore I kill you.
Yeah.
You can't strange things, So, Simhaha Vyakaranasya kartuhu Paninehe pranan aharat. Priyan pranan aharat Paninehe. That is also given here. So, Priyan pranan Paninehe Simhaha Vyakaranasya kartuhu Paninehe Priyan pranan aharat. Mimamsa karta Rachayita Jaimini. Mimamsa Mimamsa Unmamata. Unmamata means it destroyed. Mimamsa Unmamata Sahasa, all of a sudden, Hasti Munim Jaiminim. Jaiminim Muni. Jaimini is the writer of the Mimamsa Shastra. And what did Jaimini do to the elephant? Generally, elephants are not violent. They are very good animals, but even such a good animal also took the life of Jaimini Muni. And what is the enmity? No enmity. See the argument of the mouse here. With no enmity also sometimes enmity, unexpected quarters, that is unexpected quarter you find danger coming from. Understand?
Yeah.
So sahasa means all of a sudden, munim jaiminim, mimamsa krutam, munim jaiminim, hasti unmamata. Completely destroyed him, unmamata. All of a sudden, yeah, next.
Yeah. Chado jnana nidhim jaghana makaro belatate pingalam ajnanavruta chetasa matirusham korthastirascham gunaihi.
Unmamata means, matha means crushed, literally it means. Manthana, churned, like crushed. The elephant crushed it seemed. Why the elephant got so angry with Jaimini, I don't know. Lion, we can understand it's a ferocious animal, no? Okay? But elephants also sometimes behave like that. There is a spelling mistake here, Chando, Chando Gnana Nidhim, Chanda Shastra. So Vyakarana Shastra Pandita is killed by a lion. Mimamsa Shastragna is killed by an elephant. Chando Gnana Nidhim, Jaghana killed, Jagana Makaraha, a crocodile killed Chanda Shastragna. Velatati on the seashore, Velatati on the seashore, Pingalam. Pingala's Chanda Shastra is famous, Pingala Muni. So this Pingala Muni, writer, who is the writer of Chanda Shastra, he was killed. Who killed him? Makaraha, crocodile. Maybe he went there to bathe in the river, we do not know. Chando Jnana Nidhim Pingalam Velatate Makaraha Jagana Amarayat. Han Dhatu Jagana. Han Jagana, this is lit. Jagana. Pingalam Ajnana Avruta Chetasam Atirusham. Srinivas. Atirusham. Look at this word. Ajnana Avruta Chetasam Atirusham. What is this vibhakti running here? Shashti Bhagavachana. Ajnanena Avruta Chetasam. Ajnana Avruta Chetasam. Chetasam iti Shashti Bhagavachanam. Atirusham. Atikruddham. Rusha means krodha. Ati Rusham. Ati Kruddham. Srinivas.
Yeah.
Ati Kruddham. Ati Rusham. Krodhaturanam. You can say Ati Krodhaturanam. Like Krodhaturanam. Ajnanena Avruta Chetasam. Krodhena Aturanam. Kaha Artaha. Now these two are Visheshanas to Tirascham. Tiranch means those animals which move crookedly, Srinivas. Tiranch. Tiryak. Tiryak gachanti. Tiranch. Tiryanch means which move crookedly. Animals are supposed to be there. So, ko artaha, what is the, say, what benefit is there? What is the motive of these animals? Ko artaha, ko kim prayojanam tirascham jantunam gunaihi. Ko artaha gunaihi. Tirascham kidrushanam tirancham ajnana avruta chetasam atirusham atyantam krodhaturanam tirascham jantunam gunaihi ko artaha. So what is the, you understand?
Yeah.
So what is the point? What is the purpose of these animals which are like this? Nobody knows. Next.
Vayasaha asti etat tathapi shruyatam upakaracha lokanam nimittan mrugapakshinam bhayallobhacha murkhanam maitri syaddarshanat satam.
Now Vayasa said. Now immediately Vayasa took over, the crow, having listened to the Niti Sara of the rat. Vayasaha asti etad. Yeah, it is true. True it is. Tathapi still shruyatam. Please listen to me. उपकाराच्च लोकानां निमित्तात् मृगपक्षिणां भयात् लोभात् च मूर्खाणां मैत्री स्यात् दर्शनात् सताम. This is the most wonderful poem, Srinivas. Very informative poem. Upakaracha lokanam. Lokanam means ordinary people. Sadharana jananam madhye maitri katam sambhavati. How does friendship take place? Upakarat shutva. Upakarat panchami. Due to some favor. How do common folks become friends, Srinivas? The writer says it is due to upakara. X does something to the Y and Y becomes the friend of the X.
Yeah.
Some favor is done. So favor here, upakara is favor. Due to favor, lokanam to which people, who are the people who get into friendship? Loka, ordinary people. Nimittat, due to some reason. Nimittam, karanam. Karanat nimittat mrugapakshinam. Lokanam maitri upakarat syat bhavishyati. Mrugapakshinam, mruganam pakshinam cha maitri nimittat sambhavati bhavishyati.
Yeah.
How does the friendship among the animals and birds take place? Due to some reason, it seems. We have no access to this except the experts here. The experts who are animal experts, they can tell us. Animals and birds become friends due to some reason. Nimitta. Well said. Bhayat lobhat cha. There are two reasons given out here for the friendship among the foolish murkhas. Murkhanam maitri. Murkhanam madhye maitri katam sambhavati katam syat. Bhayat va lobhat va. Or both together. Bhaya lobhabhyam. No, separately is given. Bhayat athava lobhat. Due to fear or due to greed. Now, this is very commonly experienced by us in many of our films, movies, Srinivas. How they threaten and they force you to become friend. Now, how the one villain becomes the friend of another villain because of either bhaya or lobha.
Yeah.
Either he is afraid of the boss or he is highly bribed by the boss. There is a lobha, there is a greed shown. If you do this work, you will be getting so much of money. Murkhanam maitri. This is how. 4 types of friendship. I mean, 4 species are outlined here. Beginning with the ordinary folks, birds and animals. Now the foolish fellows. Foolish fellows get into friendship because of either fear or lobha, greed. Then this is the most wonderful thing, last one. Syat darshanat satam. Kevalam darshanat Srinivas.
Yeah.
Darshana matrena satam satpurushanam madhye maitri syat. Maitri bhavishyati. How does friendship take place among the virtuous people? Most wonderfully said. Darshanat, just by looking at one virtuous person, looks at another virtuous person, and friendship is born there. Mere look makes them bonded in friendship. Darshanat satam. This is how friendship it is. Now, how the clever crow is talking, Srinivas, driving the point here.
Yeah.
Next.
Mruddhata iva sukha bhedyo dussandhanascha durjano bhavati sujanastu kanaka ghata iva durbhedassukara sandhischa.
Now, in this poem, the Lagupatranaka Vayasa, the crow, is telling us that how is the friendship between 2 bad guys and how is the friendship between good people and how they are compared here. Bad, wicked people are compared with a earthen pot. Mrud, you see the opening of the word. Mrud ghata, iva sukha vedya. Now you have a earthen pot. We all use in summer na, in India. Even rich people are also using the pot water. Pot is easily breakable. Sukha bedyam sukhena vidyate. Easy to break. A pot is very easy to break. Dussandhanascha, very difficult to join it. Durjano bhavati, that is the way a Durjana is, a wicked fellow is. A wicked fellow and a wicked fellow's friendship is like a pot which is very easily broken and very hard to again join it. Understand? First line. Dussandhana means dukkhena bhedayitum yogyaha. Dussandhana, durbeda. That is durbeda. Dukkhena. Sukhabeda means easy to break. Dussandhana means easy to, difficult to join, I'm sorry. Dukkhena sandhatum yogyaha. Very difficult to join. That is how a Durjana is. On the other hand, contrast, Sujanastu, on the other hand, a virtuous person, Kanaka Ghata Iva, he is like a golden pot, a pot of gold. Not a golden pot. Kanaka Ghata Iva, Durbheda, very difficult to break it. You take in one hand one pot of clay, in another hand a pot of gold. Try to break, which one breaks first? The pot, earthen pot, Mrudghata only breaks first. So he says Sujanastu, but a good person is Kanaka Ghata Iva. Kanakasya Ghata Iva Durubheda, very difficult to break it. Sukara Sandischa, okay, even if you break it, if you break a gold pot of gold, a golden pot, Sukara Sandischa, it is very easy to join it. A good man is good man's friendship is very difficult to break. If at all it is broken, it is easy to join. On the other hand, a wicked fellow, a rogue's friendship is easy to break, but very difficult to join. Quite contrasting, na?
Yes.
And I am reminded of Kanchu Broguna to Kanakambu Broguna, Vishwadabhirama. And that example is taken by Vemana also. Sajjanundu Palku Sallaganu, etc. I mean, the same idea is echoed. Yeah.
So small clarification, sir. This Murud Ghata, is there any spelling mistake here? It is.
No. When we join, computer shows you like that. Murud Ghata only.
Oh, this is
it
Ghata.
Looks like Dhata. Huh? Yeah.
Okay.
I have tried to break it and join like that. Murud Ghata only.
Fine.
No mistake.
Ikshoragrat kramashah parvani yatha rasa visheshah tadvat sajjana maitri viparitanantu viparita tathacha.
Then Ikshoho agrat kramashah parvani. So the idea is given here. As the juice of Ikshu means sugarcane juice, from the agraha, from the top to bottom, Srinivas. Ikshoho, what is that? Agrat, Ikshoho agrat, from the top, kramasha, gradually. Parvani means, what is parvani? Each joint, parvan means each joint here. Not Mahabharata parva. Yeah, that is also parva. Parva means several things. Section there. Section. Yeah, it's section. In a sugar cane, there are sections. So, Ikshoho agrat, from the top of the sugar cane, kramashaha, gradually, parvani, in each, what I said, joint. Each section, yatha rasa viseshaha. It seems the juice becomes sweeter and sweeter. Yatha rasa viseshaha tadvat, like that sajjana maitri, like that is the friendship of the gentleman, of the virtuous man. Viparitanam tu viparita, and sajjana viparita durjana. Anyways, viparitanam tu viparita maitri.
Yeah.
People who are contrast to, opposite to this sajjana, there is also viparita. and there it is bitter and bitter.
Yes.
So that is why the friendship of the Sajjana is very sweet, so to say, sweet, and it increases from joint to joint passage. It increases joint to joint can be taken in passage of time. When we make friendship with a Sajjana, it goes on increasing section by section, joint by joint. Quite contrary in the case of the wicked people. Yes.
Arambha gurvi kshayini
Shaini.
kramena laghvi pura वृद्धिमती च पश्चात् दिनस्य पूर्वार्थ परार्थ भिन्ना छायेव मैत्री खल सज्जनानाम्.
This poem appears in Niti Shatakam of Bhartrihari Srinivas. We have studied it. In our Sanskrit class, we have studied that.
Sir.
Bhartrihari Niti Shataka contains this poem. Arambha Guruvi Kshayini Kramena. Laghvi Pura, no sandhi at all anywhere. No sandhi. Except in the fourth line. Dinasya Purvardha Parardha Binna. Even there. On the fourth line. Chaya Iva Maitri Khala Sajjananam. Now, Khala Sajjananam Maitri. What is the talking the Vayasa? The friendship between Khala means villains, rogues, Sajjananam, the virtuous people. How is it like? Bhartrihari very beautifully compares the same poem, of course, but who has taken from where we do not know. Arambha Gurvi, Arambhe Gurvi. In the beginning, very, Gurvi means very lengthy. You know Guru Shabda?
Yeah.
Friendship of the wicked people and good people is compared here. So, Arambhe Gurvi, it is very, very long. Gurvi means long, we say. Long shadow. Arambha Gurvi. Kshayini Kramena. Now, this applies to Khalanam Maitri. You take Maitri Khala Sajjananam. Khalanam Madhye Maitri Kidrushi Bhavati. Like what it is, Arambhe Gurvi. The friendship between two rogues, two wicked people is in the beginning very thick friendship, very long friendship. It is very thick, you can say. Gurvi, if we can translate, a thick, because in friendship is a thick friendship only.
Yeah.
So, like the forenoon shadow of the day, Dinasya Purvardha. In the Purvardha means forenoon shadow, Srinivas. Dinasya Purvardha means first shadow, forenoon shadow. Understand?
Yeah.
Dinasya Purvardha, Parardha Binna. Like if you take Dinasya Purvardhe Chaya Katam Bhavati, Chaya Gurvi Bhavati, Arambha Gurvi Bhavati. It is very, very long, deep and thick. Kshayini Kramena, Kramena Kshayini Bhavati, Chaya. Take the word Chaya from the fourth line. Dinasya Arambe Chaya Dine, Dinasya Chaya Arambe Gurvi Bhavati, Kramena Kshayini Bhavati. Esha Chaya Maitri Rupini Chaya Kalayoho Madhye Etadrushi Bhavati. Kalayoho Dvayoho Kalayoho Durjanayoho Madhye Ya Maitri Bhavati Sa Maitri Arambe Gurvi Bhavati Atyantam Adhika Bhavati. Gurvi Nama Adhika Bhavati. Kramena Nashta Bhavati. Kshayini Bhavati Nashta Bhavati. Kramena Nashta Bhavati. So when two villains or two wicked people come together, they become fast friends in no time. And slowly their diminishing point comes. Their friendship will be losing, like what? Like the forenoon shadow, which is very thick in the beginning, very long, and gradually decreases. And Lagvi Pura Vruddhimati cha Pachat. And in the case of the Sajjanana Maitri, the friendship between or among the virtuous people, Lagvi Pura, Lagvi Pura, it is very short in the beginning. Lagu Visheshana Pada is there, na? In Srilinga it becomes Lagvi. Lagvi. Chaya, Sajjananam Maitri, Chaya eva dinasya apara, dinasya aparardha, purvardha, parardha, aparakna. Parardha Chaya eva dinasya parardha Chaya eva pura lagvi bhavati. First it is very short. The friendship between good people is in the beginning very short. They don't become friends all of a sudden like that. Aramba gurvi na. Arambe tatra pura first purvam lagvi bhavati maitri, sajjananam maitri. And then paschat, afterwards, vruddhimati cha paschat, it grows. Kramena vruddhimati bhavati maitri. Gradually, the short friendship between the good people or among the good people keeps growing gradually. Quite contrasting. Now, the beautiful example is given like the forenoon shadow and the afternoon shadow. Afternoon shadow is big, very small in the beginning, but as the day decreases, it goes on increasing. Shadow goes on increasing. Whereas the forenoon shadow is long in the beginning, but as the day advances, it keeps decreasing. So there is long and decrease, short and increase. Dinasya purvardha parardha vinna chaya eva maitri kalasajjana. What can we do? Very, very beautiful. Right from our day-to-day experience, they have taken this poem. Yeah. Tat.
Tat sarvatha sadhureva aham aparam tvam shapathadibihi nirbhayam karomi hiranyakaah na me asti te shapathaihi pratyayah uktam cha.
Then he says, Tat, so, the crow is saying, so, Sarvata by all means, Sadhuhu eva aham. The crow is proving himself to be a Sadhu Purusha. So, the writer is also telling us that don't go by looks. Now, what happened in recent times in the most advanced country in America? One black man was killed. You have seen how much trouble erupted in America, in a country like America. Because there also a lot of the discrimination is there. It comes out sometimes, it gets ventilated sometimes. So here the writer is saying, don't go by color of the crow of Srinivas. Sadhureva aham, I am a very gentleman. See the dialogue of the crow. Sarvata by all means, sadhuhu eva aham. I am very virtuous. I am a noble person. Aparam, one more thing. Tvam shapatadibihi. By all, I will give you so many shapatas, so many promises. Shapatadibihi nirbhayam karomi. I will give you as many promises as you want and make you fearless. Don't fear that I am going to kill you. Hiranyaka said, Na me astite shapataihi pratyaya. I have no pratyaya means confidence, vishwasaha. Te shapataihi me na asti vishwasaha. I don't have any faith with your promises. Uktam cha, because it is said. Yes.
Shapatai sandhitasyapi na vishwasam vrajedrapoho vrajedripoho shruyate shapatham krutva vruttashrakrena suditaha.
So, since the crow said that I will give you as many promises, pledges as possible to make you confident that I am not going to kill you, the mouse says, no. Shapataihi sandhitasyapi na vishwasam rajed ripoho. Ripoho shatroho Srinivas. Sorry. Shatroho vishwasam na vrajet. Shatroho arehe vishwasam na gachet. Kada shapataihi sandhitasyapi. Shapataihi sandhitasyapi shatroho. Even though an enemy who has made several promises, very, very true of the present day context also. See, India is not believing in the retreat of the China. India is our country is using hawk's view, no, like a hawk. They are watching the movement of the Chinese, whether they are really retreating, going back, or going to come back once again. Because we can never believe in Srinivas. So promises cannot be believed. Shatroho, ripoho. So ripoho, shatroho, vishwasam na vrajait. One should not get into the confidence of the enemy with shapataihi sanditasyapi. Even though the enemy has given several promises, shruyate shapatam krutva. It is said, it is heard that shapatam krutva vritraha shakrena suditaha. Vritrasura was given some promise by Indra, and later Indra killed him. And that Vritra believed in Indra, and later Indra finished him. Shruyate, it is said, Shapatam krutva vritraha shakrena suditaha. Shakra means Indra. The derivative part of it is Shaknoti sarvam kartum iti shakraha. Explain that. You know, Shakraha means Shaknoti sarvam kartum. He can do anything. Therefore, he is Shakraha, Indraha. So he was killed by Indra. Next. That means Shakra was taken into confidence by Indra, and then later he killed him.
Na vishwasam vina shatrur devanamapi siddhyati vishwasatridashendrena dite garbho vidaritaha.
Again, one more example the clever Hiranyaka gives in support of not believing the Vayasa, not to believe the enemy, that too natural enemy. We have already seen. Pranaghatat, pranadanat nagachati. Natural enmity does not come to end without taking the life. Kritrimaihi, whereas the Kritrima Vaira can be terminated by Kritrima, artificial means. So he says, Na vishwasam vina shatruhu devanam api siddhyati. Devanam api shatruhu vishwasam vina na siddhyati. That means even in the case of the gods, even the gods also cannot kill their enemies without taking into confidence their enemies. First the gods make believe the enemy and then they attack. Vishwasam vina, without confidence, devanam shatruho api na siddhyati means it is not possible. There, siddhyati here means devanam shatruho na siddhyati. Does not come to be worked upon. Okay? An enemy, even to the gods, does not fructify. Siddhyati literally means without taking into confidence. Then Vishwasam, Vishwasat Tridashendrena. Another name for Indra is Tridashendra. Tridasha means gods. Vishwasat, due to Vishwasa only, confidence only, Tridashendrena, Indrena, Ditehe Garbaha Vidarita. By giving confidence to Diti, showing some kind of confidence, the mother of Daityas. Diti is the mother of Daityas. The embryo of the Diti, Vishwasat Ditehe Garbha. By taking into confidence Diti and thereafter Garbha Vidarita, the embryo was destroyed by Indra, taking into confidence the Diti. So Diti was given confidence and then later destroyed. Earlier, Vritrasura was taken into confidence and killed by Indra. So, like when a god like Indra cannot be relied upon, what are you, crow? And the argument is, when a god like Indra cannot be depended upon, then what are you, crow? How can I depend on your word? That is the argument. Yes, Anyacha.
Brahaspateraphi prajnaha tasman naivatra vishvaset ya ichchedatmano vruddhim ayushyancha sukhani cha.
I'm looking at the Utpatti of Tridasha. Shall we tell them? Tridasha means Devaha, the word which came in 142 poems.
Yes, sir.
Tridasha means Devaha. Trutiya Yavanakya Dasha Yasya. That means the third stage of life, Yavana, Yavanakya Dasha. Yasya, the one who has always the third stage, who is in the third stage, Yavana Dasha. Or it is also interpreted Treen Tapan Dashati Nashayati. The three tapas are there, na? Adhyatmika,
Tapatrayam.
Adi Bhautika, Adi Daivika. So
Yeah.
three tapa, this dasha means three in tapan, nashayati, iti tridasha. Dashati means nashayati. So
Oh,
gods are those who take out our trivida, three types of suffering. The bodily suffering, mental suffering, and environmental suffering, whatever is there. So that is how the word is interpreted here. Now going to the next. Bruhaspatehe api pragnaha tasmat naivatra vishwaset. So pragnaha means a buddhiman, a pandita, a wise person who wants his prosperity, safety, should not even trust anybody in the world, even including the Deva Guru Bruhaspati. Bruhaspate api pragnaha panditaha tasmat naiva atra vishwaset. Naiva atra means asmin samsare, asmin loke, naiva vishwaset. An intelligent man should not believe even the Bruhaspati's words. Ya iched atmanaha vruddhim, one who wishes prosperity of his self. Yaha prajnaha atmanaha vruddhim iched. That intelligent man who wants the upliftment of his own, his self, buddhiman, ayushyam cha sukani cha. Yaha iched atmanaha vruddhim, one who wishes his upliftment vruddhi, ayushyam, long life, sukani, comforts. One who wants to be comfortable in life, one who wants to be prosperous in life, one who wants to be enjoying life, such a person, intelligent person, should not even believe Bruhaspati also, for that matter, Devaguru. So, these two poems, three poems are telling us, Srinivas, that even we cannot believe in God, because they sometimes make us believe and cheat us. Tata acha. Susukshmenapi randrena.
yeah. Susukshmenapi randhrena pravishatyantaram ripuhu नाशयेच्छशनैः पश्चात् प्लवं सलिलपूरवत्.
Very simple poem. Susukshmenapi randhrena. So, sukshmena, very sukshma. Even, what do you call, very small, Srinivas. Su means here very. Susukshmenapi randhrena. Even through a very small aperture, hole, pravishati antaram ripuhu. Ripuhu, shatruhu, antaram, makes entry. Pravishati, makes entry, antaram. Enters inside. Antaram pravishati.
Yeah.
Antaram pravishati. Makes an entry, otherwise makes an entry. Susukshmena api randhrena. Even with a small hole, an enemy can make an entry. So enemies, on the other hand, always keep looking to where are the loopholes. They only look to the loopholes and then they want to get into. Like what is we are also experiencing now politically. Nashayecha shanaihi. Supposing there is a susukshma randra and the ripuhu shatruhu finds it and antaram pravishati and has made an entry. Nashayecha shanaihi paschat. Paschat kim karoti? Shanaihi, very slowly. Nashayet. He may destroy his enemy. Like what? Plavam, like a boat. Salila puravat, like a boat filled with full of, floating over water. Srinivas,
Yeah.
like a boat, like just like water, susukshma randrat, entering into the boat, plavam, a boat, salila puravat, like the water entering and filling the plavam, the boat, naukam. This is commonly taken here. Susukshmena pirandrena plavam plavasya salila puravat, like filling of the plava boat with a small hole. Now, can any sailor afford to neglect a hole in the boat while traveling in the sea? Okay, let it be. A small hole is there. If he lets it, then the water will be seeping in slowly, and the boat will be filled up. That is the way an enemy also operates. That is what. Next, now Vishwasaya.
You are always referring poem is coming next.
Always, no? Yeah, my favorite poem. Na Vishwasayat.
Na Vishwased Vishwastam Vishwastam Nati Vishwaset Vishwasad Bhayam Utpannam Moolanyapi Nikruntati.
This is the most wonderful poem, Srinivas. This is more applicable, always to be followed by every human being. Na Vishwaset, I can give you several examples of stories. Na Vishwaset, one should not believe. Avishwastam, who is unbelievable, untrustworthy fellow should not be trusted in the very first step. Vishwastam, believable person. Na Ati Vishwaset, one who is trustworthy, he should not be believed too much. Ati Vishwas. Vishwasa, Ati Vishwasa. There are two things here. Avishwasa. Then one more thing is there. One who is not believable, Avishwasa. Who is believable, no Ati Vishwa. Sorry. Why he says like this? One should not believe an unbelievable fellow, and one should not believe too much in a believable person, because Vishwasat Utpannam Bhayam, the fear, the danger born out of trust. The danger brought, Bhayam here means danger also you can say. The threat you can say. The threat or the fear born out of the confidence, Vishwasa, belief. Moolani api nikruntati. It cuts at the very roots of a person. Moolani api nikruntati nashayati. It will be destabilizing the entire person or the organization. If an organization believes in one person too much, then that fellow will put a cap on him and then get away. Umpteen number of examples are there where people believed in too much and then they became the losers. And therefore, the very ideal way is not to believe the untrustworthy, and at the same time not believe too much and give out everything, hand over them everything. That will be very suicidal. Yeah.
Na badhyate hyavisyasto durbalopi madotkataihi vishwastaschasu badhyante balavantopi durbalaihi.
In the 45 poems, Srinivas, this is applicable so much to any company, any organization. No, people will be continuously monitored, right?
Yeah.
People will be monitored. The reports, confidential reports, and through several methods, they will be watched, especially in private sector. And sincerity is rewarded there. Sincerity is really rewarded. Like we have seen how our Indians are occupying the top positions in America. So, Ati Vishwasa, sometimes it depends on the character. He is relied too much, is believed in too much, then he may give a different color, show a different color. Now here says, Navadhyatehi avishvastaha. Avishvastaha. na vishwastah aviswastah. An untrustworthy person, na vadyati durbalo api madotkataihi. Even though avishwastah durbalah api, even an untrustworthy person, though weak, durbalah api, though weak, na vadyati, can't be harmed. Madotkataihi, cannot be harmed by Madotkatai, means even by the mighty. Madotkatai, by mighty. An untrustworthy person, though weak, cannot be harmed by the mighty. Madotkatai. Balavadbihi, you can say. Madotkatai means Balavadbihi. Vishwastaha cha ashu vadyanti. On the other hand, Vishwastaha, people who are trustworthy, on the other hand, the quite opposite is told here. Vishwasta cha ashu vadyanti. People who are trustworthy are ashu very soon armed vadyanti. Balavanto api durlavai. Is quite opposite said here, Srinivas.
Yeah.
People who are trustworthy, though strong, balavantaha api vishwastaha janaha durbalaihi vadyanti. They can be finished with even weak people. But on the other hand, the untrustworthy people, though weak, cannot be done away with mighty people. And therefore, the alarm is, yes, you got to be very careful with the untrustworthy people. Untrusted people are more dangerous compared to the trustworthy people, who can be very easily handled.
Yeah.
Trustworthy people can be very easy. See, trustworthy person, if he said, hey, from tomorrow you don't come, immediately breaks down and then he will not show up the next day. But if you tell Avishwasta, he'll be coming and coming, and then creating so many problems. That is he's a ruffian, basically. So he will not heed to any good or any command or any this thing. So therefore, be careful in dealing with the Avishwastas. Vishwastas are easy to be dealt with. Untrustworthy fellows are very hard to be dealt with. Yeah.
So,
okay, we can stop.
Shall we stop here, sir?
Yeah. Shubham Bhuyat.
Thank you, sir.